Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can download a camera roll snap on your phone. So let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on the photos icon. After that, go to camera roll. Now select the snap you want to download on your phone. After that, tap on the three dot icon. Now you will see an export photo option. Tap on it and then swipe until you can find the download button. Once you do, select the download button and that's it. Your desired snap will be downloaded on your phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.